See, even up here, there's so much definition. My curls are real tight. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you my updated protein treatment routine using what I believe is hands down the best protein treatment for curly hair and for naturals. It's the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I've been using it for years. Lots of curly hair girls and naturals have been using it. And so in this video, I'll just be showing you how I apply it and how I, basically my results. These are my results, y'all. That's what I wanted to share. These are my results from doing a wash and go with protein treated hair. So as you can see, I'm gonna get into it at the end of the video, but basically this is my updated routine. If you wanna learn more about the protein treatment, keep on watching. So it is wash day today. Well, first I just came from the gym. That's why my hair is in a cap like this, but it is wash day. I need to wash my hair. I need to style my hair. I did a wash and go last week, but because of the humidity and the rain that happened over the weekend, I pretty much messed it up. So I'm just going to wash my hair again and style it again so that I can have it set for the week and I can like create content and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm going to deep condition. Oh no, I need to do a protein treatment today. All right, so change of plans. I'm gonna do a protein treatment because I haven't done a protein treatment in a really long time. And usually for me, protein treatments really help with preventing breakage. They really make my curl pattern look a lot better. And I have the Aphogee bottle, which is what I use. It's my OG, my go-to. It's gonna be longer than I anticipated, but whatever, it's gonna be healthy for my hair. So let's get started with this protein treatment. I'm gonna be using Aphogee's 2-step protein treatment to do my protein treatment today. Typically what I like to do with this is I like to put it on after shampooing and rinsing my hair, and then I sit under the dryer for like 30 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse this out, deep condition my hair, and then get to styling. I know it's like so many steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and just deeply cleanse my hair, and then I will come back and do the protein piece. All right, so I just got out the shower. I just finished really deeply shampooing and cleansing my hair. And so my hair is still pretty wet right now. I'm gonna towel dry it just a little bit so that it's not dripping wet. Now, I haven't done a protein treatment in a really long time, at least on myself. I'm sure when I've gone to the salon, I've probably had a protein treatment done in the last few months, but like I typically like to do a protein treatment every 4 to 6 weeks. And I honestly just haven't done a protein treatment in a while because one, I haven't really been consistent with my hair routine since I've been going to the clinic and they've been washing my hair and stuff, so I haven't really been like doing full-on wash days. But it is important, especially for hair like mine that has been stressed, that has been colored in the past, and really, it's been shedding and stuff like that. I always notice a huge difference when I put protein in my hair. Like it'll shed less when I have a protein treatment done. So I'm gonna put my gloves on because you guys are probably, a lot of naturals know about Aphogee's 2-step protein treatment, but if you don't know, it is a very sticky product. And so if you're gonna use it for, to do your own protein treatment at home, you wanna make sure that you have some sort of gloves that you can use because it's sticky and then it dries really hard. So, the less mess you can make, the better, obviously. I usually buy the packs, but I bought the bottle this time because I don't even know why I bought the bottle, honestly. It was a little minute ago. I think it was just because they didn't have the packs and I really needed a treatment, so I just bought the bottle. But what I like to do is pour it on my scalp and then run it down. I used to pour it on my hand, but because it's so liquidy, I would just make such a mess. I can try pouring a little bit now. Oh, see what I'm saying? I just run it through, and you really want to make sure that when you're doing this, that you have towels, you have your sink covered, because this is really messy because the product is so runny. I like to run this through my hair as quickly as I can because like I told you, the product hardens really fast, and once it gets hard, you don't want to run your fingers through it because you can literally break your hair. As soon as it gets on your hair, you just want to run it through so that all your hair strands are being penetrated and it's not just hitting the top of your hair or the inside of your hair, but it's actually running through all of your strands. And I'm gonna do this with all 4 parts. You can part your hair even more if you'd like to. I personally just feel like 4 is a good number for me. And so once I feel like I have enough protein in it, let me say that you can definitely over protein your hair, and then your hair is just really hard and not moisturized. So you want to make sure that you don't do that either. I say that because I feel like I was just about to do that. I was gonna add some more, but I'm not going to, because last time I had to do a ACV rinse, which is basically apple cider vinegar rinse, to kind of balance my hair out because I had way too much protein in it. And because I've been doing my hair for a long time, I can just tell when there's too much protein in my hair, and there was. So you just want to, you know, put on enough where it's like a light, like if you were styling your hair and you were lightly coating it with conditioner and making sure that, you know, you're getting the conditioner through your curls, that's just about how much you want to put. Don't like drown your hair in the protein, but at the same time make sure that you're like sifting it through your hair so that all your hair gets just enough. And then so what I like to do is, after I get the protein in my hair, I'll sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. The packaging doesn't really say how long you should sit under the dryer. It really just tells you once your hair gets hard, rinse it out. So a lot of people often ask, like, how long should I sit under the dryer? I remember when I first bought this product, that was my question, like, okay, how long should I be under this dryer for? My hair typically tends to get hard from the protein at about 30 minutes. And so that's typically when I'll stop. You don't have to use a dryer, but I find that my hair dries so much faster and that the heat helps penetrate the product a lot faster and a lot better. I just get like I don't have like a hooded dryer or anything. I have an attachable dryer kind of, I'll show you guys, but I've had that, well, it was my mom's and she left it here. So I've been using that ever since. Just, you know, you attach it to the blow dryer and then you put it over your head, and I just hold on to it and sit with it for like 30 minutes. All right, so my protein treatment is done. I was under the dryer, I should say, way longer than I anticipated, only because I'm uploading a YouTube video today. So I ended up sitting there for like an extra 15 minutes. As you can see, my hair is extremely hard. I wouldn't even try to comb through this hair because I would just break all my hair. But even in looking at the protein treatment, you can see how defined my curls are simply from the protein. You can see all the waves in my curls. You can see my actual curls down here. So now what we're gonna do is get back in the shower. I could have just, you know, dipped my head in the sink or in the shower, but honestly, it's just a lot easier to get in the shower. And being that I'm going to deep condition my hair under a shower cap as opposed to a steamer, I figured I'll just deep condition my hair and then, you know, do like a nice shower bath quality time thing so I can let that deep conditioner penetrate. And for the deep conditioner, I'm going to be using ouidad's Advanced Climate Control Hydrating Mask. Look how beautifully clumped my curls look. Even the last time that I styled my hair with this product, which I styled my hair with ouidad's Advanced Climate Control Feather Light Touch Up Gel Cream. This is also a part of their new collection, and so I tried that product earlier last week and it wasn't as defined as it is even now. So I already see the effects of the protein treatment because my curls are clumping together more and they're looking way more defined before I even dry my hair, which makes me so happy. Even when I was raking my curls out, not raking my curls, when I was, well, raking through my curls, yes, when I was raking through my curls and styling my hair, I felt the difference in my curls. Like my hair strands felt stronger. They were not breaking. I didn't have any breakage. Oh my gosh, I didn't have any breakage, so that's great. I was literally able to comb through my hair without having to like sift through fairy knots and stuff like that, so that was good. So Now I got my diffuser. We're about to dry my hair so you guys can see the final results. And as you can see, this is how my hair turned out. I was leading towards that in the beginning of the video, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys my updated routine before talking about my results. Instantly, when I was applying the product on my hair, I literally felt the difference in my curls. Like, my curls had so much more slip. They were not breaking. As you saw in the video, I had no breakage when I was styling my hair, which is not always the case. It just reminds me even now that, like, I need to keep up with my protein treatments. I need to be doing my protein treatments every month, or at least at most every 6 weeks, because you can definitely see a difference when you do your wash and goes and when you style your hair when you have a protein treatment. This is what my curls look like right now. I styled them using ouidad's products. I think I talked about it in the video, but also I'm gonna flip my hair over so you can see how it looks when it's big. And as you can see, even up here, there's so much definition. My curls are real tight. That's one way that you can tell when your protein treatments are working, when your curls shrink well, or when they at least hug, they kind of like shrink up well, because that means that the bonds in your hair are repairing, which means that your curl pattern is getting back to its form. For me, I know that this is exactly what my hair needed, because I just knew I needed a protein treatment. My hair was breaking way too much. My curl pattern was starting to look a little wonky. Not too bad, but it was just looking a little, and it didn't absorb the moisture as well, which when you have the right amount of protein in your hair, it allows for moisture to absorb well into your hair strands. So let me know what you guys think about this video. It was pretty much vlog style, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys my updated protein treatment. If you haven't seen my other videos on what wash day looks like for me and how I style my hair, check it out. I'm gonna link it to this video here if you need help styling your hair, or if you just wanna watch something while you're styling your hair, because I know that wash day can take hours. I will see you guys in my next video. Later.